Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear chat history on Signal. If you're using Signal and you want to clear your chat history, whether for privacy, storage, or just to declutter, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So let's start with the basics. First, open the Signal app on your phone. So you will land on your chat list where all your conversations are stored. Now, if you only want to remove one chat, just tap and hold the conversation you want to delete. So you'll see a menu pop up and just tap on delete icon, then confirm. Then the entire conversation, including all messages and media, will be permanently removed from your device. Now, maybe you don't want to delete the chat itself, just the messages inside it. You can just open the conversation, then tap the contact name or number at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Clear Chat History and then just confirm your choice. So this keeps the chat thread visible but removes all messages inside it. It's perfect if you want a fresh start. Now, if you want a full reset, tap on your profile icon at the top left, then go to Settings. Now scroll down and select Chats just below the Appearance option. Now, once you select on Chats, scroll down and tap on Clear Chat History. So, confirm your action. All chats will be wiped out from your device. So, click on Delete Everything. And that's basically it. Before you go on deleting spree, here are a few important points. So, this action is important. There's no undo button. So, clearing chats only affects your device, not the other person's messages. And media files like photos and videos inside chats will also be deleted. If you're low on storage, this is actually a great way to free up space. If you don't want to manually delete chats every time, Signal has a smarter option. So you could just open on any chat, then tap the contact name and enable disappearing messages and choose a timer. So this will automatically delete messages after a set time, so you don't have to worry about clearing them later. And that's basically it. Whether you want to delete one conversation, clear a chat, or wipe everything, Signal gives you full control over your privacy. If you found this helpful, you might also want to explore more privacy features inside Signal. There's a lot you can customize to keep your messages secure. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.